The Trump International Hotel in Washington, D.C. was a luxury hotel located in the historic old post office building at 1100 Pennsylvania Avenue, NW. Originally built between 1892 and 1899, the building was designed by architect Willoughby J. Edbrook and added to the National Register of Historic Places in 1973. The Trump Organization leased the building from the U.S. General Services Administration in 2013 and renovated it from 2014 to 2016, opening the hotel on September 12, 2016. The hotel featured 263 luxury rooms, a spa, fitness center, and dining options, while preserving the building's historic features. In May 2022, the hotel was sold to CGI Merchant Group and rebranded as the Waldorf Astoria, Washington, D.C. The building remains a blend of historic charm and modern luxury,